Hello, hello, and welcome to Black to the Future. Today is May 29th, Wednesday, and I just wanted to hop in really quick and go over our earnings play that I dropped over the weekend, um, and also kind of try to put some things into perspective and help you understand that when you are trading, whether it is options or futures, you need a strategy, and not every strategy works.
Connection lost.
Not every strategy works when you're trading. So you have to ensure that it's the best strategy, okay? And sometimes you won't even know that it's the best. Sometimes you have to do trial and error. So on this particular play with Salesforce, I pulled it up. It happened today once the market closed at 4 p.m. Eastern time. As you can see, Salesforce drops on first ever single digit sales growth outlook. It dropped 16%, guys. All right, that's pretty big. But I knew it was coming. All right. So I knew it was coming. How did I know it was coming? Well, let's get into it. So the first thing is this list that I have is something that I push. And I'm going to show you a few things. So with this list and this strategy, I have had, let me see. So far, we've had successful plays on Snap, which is right here. We had a successful play on Home Depot, PG, MasterCard, Amazon, and now CRM. You can see Meta, didn't see that one. I don't think I was looking at this too much. Morningstar. So there's a technique that you need to use when you're using this strategy. However, I knew that CRM was going to be a thing, right? On, let me see, I believe it was on the 24th. Yep, there we go right there. 24th. 4 million shares were sold on the 24th. Well, today is the 29th. Okay, today is the 29th. And in my weekend prep videos that I have every weekend that I put in my futures course, I broke this down and explained why. So let's go over to the charts and take a look at this. So once you get what you need from that list, right? And there is certain rules and requirements that I kind of lay out. And that's explained, it's only explained in my course. So I'm not really going to go into detail like that, but we will pull up CRM and we'll do a top-down analysis. So a top-down analysis is something that you need to do to understand what's going on. We cannot trade, right? And you should not trade stocks based off of hearsay from somebody else without bringing it up on this chart and then analyzing what's going on. Okay, that's the first thing. So if you are new to trading, please understand that. Please understand that Bloomberg, Bloomberg Live, and those who else? Who else? Kramer. You can't listen to them. You are there to get particular information, but to be solely based off of what it is that they're saying, they're really going to tell you a lie. They're going to tell you a lie. And if you don't understand how to read a chart, then you're going to lose money every single time as an investor, especially as a retail investor, okay? Because retail investors are, people like me and you who come in, we learn. But then you have, the money market and the money makers who really are experienced investors. They are probably trading for banks or hedge funds, and they really move the market with certain things. And you think that by you coming into the market that your little money is going to move certain things, but it's really not. And if you don't understand and have an understanding of what's going on in the chart, you will lose money every single time. And then you're going to be discouraged from trading. Now you're not going to want to trade anymore. All right. So based off of my chart, and I went over this, like I said, on the weekend. Every weekend, I prepare a video for my students to kind of get them ready for the week, let them know what they should be focusing on, the way to look at the market, and then it's all up to you to execute. So as you can see, there's a range, meaning that the stocks here are going up and down in this particular area, just in this area here. Up here, I have what's called resistance. And then down here, I have support. So as you can see, price has reached resistance. You can also see that from this chart, the price is going up, right? The candles are going up. And if the price is going up, down here, where you see this green and red and gray, this is called volume. It should be going up as well. Well, it's not. The price is going up, and it appears that it's going up, but it's coming down, right? We have a level of resistance that lets me know that, price may turn around. Price may turn around. So, and this is on the week. So up here you have week, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. You have to start at the week to kind of understand what's going on and then work your way down. All right. I have strategies, different type of strategies, but one where we trade gaps. So we understand that there's a gap here. And we understand that any gaps that we have will need to be filled. We also have what's called chart patterns. So here it looks like a potential double top, and I'll point that out to you. Right? Looks like an M, which is called a double top, and then it drops. All right, so we understand all of this on the weekly chart. So now we're going to go down to the daily. And what do we see? On the daily chart, we start to look for the market structure. All right, so the E means earnings here. It also means that this stock pays dividends. So if you not only are trading options, but you can trade, buy shares with this as well. But you need to be able to understand when to buy shares. Okay, because today was definitely not the day. As you can see, we have a gap here, we have a gap there. All those things stand out. And now we understand that the market structure was going up, but it turned around and started going down. All right. So in my class, I also teach you how to understand the market structure. I also teach you how to take a look at the market trend. There are certain things that's on here that shows me that the trend is down as well. All right. So everything is telling me that this is going down. All right. Then there's something on the 1 hour that really stood out to me today, right? Besides the fact that the CEO sold 4 million shares on the 24th, way before the 29th. Not only did he sell shares on the 24th, but I'll pull up here. Let's go to, this is the results. So when the market closed at 404 today, it dropped initially 26, but now it's down to like 45 points, right? 16%. Those are just some of my earnings and winnings. But I also want to show you this. So on, not only did they sell shares on the 24th, they sold them on the 28th. You can see Salesforce right here, the CEO, and on the 29th today. And he sold it right at 420. This was after the market closed. All right. So there was a lot of things going on behind the scenes that people will never know if you don't understand and know this strategy. All right. So then when I came down to the 1 hour, I really saw something. Was it the 1 hour? No, I think it was the daily because I pulled it up. Yeah. I seen something on the daily that really stood out that let me know that this stock was going to drop. I seen divergence. That is a key term that is used in trading when two things don't add up. This is going straight across, as you can see. When you take a look at this, this is going up at an angle, which lets me know that the price is going to fall. When 4 o'clock came and the earnings results came out, this was where price was when the market closed at 4 p.m. today on the 29th of May. Where it's priced now? Right here where it says post with its blue line. It's all the way down here. That is a lot of money. And you can see it's a gap here, which means that this gap is probably now filled. You have another gap here that needs to be filled so it can continue to drop. You have another gap here. These are all the different things that I teach in my course in great detail to help you understand. But yeah, I just wanted to point out these things and let you know that strategies are needed, but my strategy is proven. All right. So if you are interested in taking my options course is only $75. That is a one-time fee. Okay. I have a Telegram group. If you pay $9.99, which is $10, one-time fee will get you in the Telegram group. You will not have to pay that ever again. My futures course that's where the money is. That's where the money is. Okay. And when the futures market, you will bring in results based off of whether you are trading with your own money or if you're trading with a prop firm. I can definitely teach you how to trade in a prop firm and pass in a assessment or a test or evaluation is what they call it. I couldn't think of it. Yeah, but I'll teach you how to pass an evaluation. And the prop firm companies it's basically letting you put a little bit of money in while still practicing and gaining experience, but still being able to, they will pay you, right? If you know how to trade, they will pay you, right, for trading, and they'll split the profits with you. So that's how you get results like this. This is my prop account. And this is just the chat area. This is the Telegram. I have many different rooms depending on what you're in and what course you're taking. But yes, these are just some of the results, some of the students' results in their prop accounts, or it could be their real accounts as well. Okay. Here's another one. It's another one. Here's a certificate for one of the students who passed a prop firm account. So now he has access to $250,000. But yeah, there are different strategies for different things. And like I said, this one was a good play. So far, this particular strategy, like I said, I have used on maybe 5 stocks in the past month, and they have all been successful. It's just even more successful because it's earnings. But sometimes it's certain things, like I say, you want to pay attention to. So if you are interested in taking one of my courses, the futures market is $250 a month. So you could do month to month, or you could do for a full year, which is $750. The options is $75 one-time fee. And if you have any questions, you can email me at allconsults9@gmail.com. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful trading week. Make sure that you are giving yourself rules and that you have discipline when you're trading. Those are some of the things that really stand out. Especially when you're new to trading. It's hard at first, but eventually you will get tired of losing, right? And then that's when you're going to trade, or you're going to trade differently and you start doing things a little bit different. So if you are one of those people that want to trade differently, please join the team. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful trading week. Have a good one.